Alright guys, so we are back from Florida. We're back in the rainy, cloudy, I don't want to say cold because it was freaking hot in Florida. And I'm Canadian and I'm not used to that kind of heat. It was 80 degrees in the middle of December. Not a good thing. But what was hysterical was all the Floridians down there that are wearing winter sweaters and winter jackets and everything else, and oh my god, it was absolutely such a weird like culture shock because I'm so used to it being, you know, 10-20 degrees here in Connecticut, and to be 80 degrees and see people in winter jackets was just mind-blowing. But first things first, I want to give a huge shout out and a thank you to Adam LZ for throwing that amazing event. Now, in the world of YouTubers, especially automotive YouTubers, MorFab is kind of the small fish. You know, we're not extremely well known, but we have done a lot of work for a bunch of the big ones. But Adam took us in, gave us the VIP treatment, and really showed us that, you know what, we are just as great as everybody else. So I wanted to thank him from the bottom of my heart for taking us in, making us feel like home, and pretty much giving us the royal treatment. So we had a great time. We did some running around with Jimmy. Jimmy, thank you so much, man, for, you know, kind of taking us in and showing us around and everything else. That was really cool of you to do. And you know what, we got to meet some of the people we've been watching for so long. You know, we got to meet Cletus, and we got to meet Shulman, and we got to meet Alberto, and we got to meet, you know, David Patterson, that dude in blue. We got to meet a bunch of people that were super cool. I met Jack. Jack from HP Logic is probably one of the guys I watch a lot because he's kind of a big nerd like I am. So, but yeah, we got to hang around with a lot of really cool people. We got to hang out with a lot of really influential car YouTubers and everything else. So Adam, thank you so much for holding this event. It was much appreciated. The treatment was much appreciated. And everyone watching this video, just so you guys know, aside from all of everything that you see on YouTube, these guys are really genuinely nice guys. They very much care about their fans. They very much care about the people that they work with, and it's just overall such a nice thing to see. So I did get a few clips from the open house, and I'm gonna put those in right after this intro. But you know, we didn't get too much video because I honestly didn't even want to take the camera out. I was just having a great time. It was cool talking to new people and meeting new people, and you know, stuff like that. So we did a lot of hanging out with Rudnick and Courtney, and you know, so a good time. Definitely a good time. And then we spent a couple extra days in Florida doing some other stuff. So I'm gonna insert all these clips now. I hope you enjoy them, and yeah, we'll talk to you in a bit. Guys, so we're at Adam's open house. It is absolutely crazy today. Look at this. It is insane. But the one thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to step over here and show you guys the finished product of a car that I worked on, which you guys don't get to see very often. So this is kind of cool. And as soon as we get done with this gentleman who's taking really nice pictures of this car, we'll show you what we did on it. All right, so Jack is about to start revving the 3-rotor, so I highly doubt we'll be able to hear anything, but there's the battery box. Everything we did on the GTST, and it looks absolutely amazing. All right, and of course we got the clickbait patrol. This thing is absolutely insane. It's kind of cool to see it in person for the first time. I've actually never seen it in person, never been in Florida, but there it is. This thing is absolutely crazy. And of course the beautiful E30 belonging to Mr. Jimmy Oaks. Excuse me guys, thank you. Another one we did some exhaust work on. This thing's pretty cool. Guys, so we're gonna go check out Jack's car real quick now that there's not so big of a crowd around it. Check out this 3-rotor in action. Pretty sick. So can we take bets on who is going to need an exhaust system after all this?
Alberto's exhaust was the reddest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Really?
I provided the header to just like,
oh
really,
my god.
Yeah, they're warped now, so.
Oh. We're gonna have some stuff to fix. People need exhaust systems badly. Power 34 is insane. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it wasn't a whole lot of the event, but you know, like I said, we were just walking around, introducing ourselves to people, hanging out with people, meeting new friends. It was just a great time overall. But now that we're back from Florida, we are waiting for UPS to get here with the rest of the materials for Mike's car. As soon as we get Mike's car done, we've got some other stuff on the books that are going to get going. So I'm going to wait for UPS. As soon as they get here, we're going to start filming the final video on Mike's car. We're going to get that exhaust system finished up and get everything going. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to this channel. You have no idea what it means to me. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.